The machine tool technology program at Trident Tech has it set up just right. I love working with my hands, and at Trident Tech, that's just what we do.
We run lathes and mills, and we use precision instruments, micrometers and calipers, and we teach them each step, each process along the way, and then we put them to work.
I've actually researched several schools in South Carolina before deciding to come here. Honestly, this school had some of the highest ratings out of all of the ones that I looked at, and I couldn't have been happier with my choice to attend Trident Tech.
There's many things that I've loved. I have been nothing but surprised by how much I like every teacher.
Their schedules are very flexible, which allow you to carry on with your normal life while attending college and get that jump start that you need to be more successful in your career.
When the guys are finishing up the program here, they shouldn't have any problem getting out there and finding a job and going to work and succeed.
It's your time at Trident Tech.